Listen carefully because what you are about to hear might change the way you see attraction forever. Most men spend years confused, wondering why they get ignored, rejected, or ghosted, while other guys seem to have women chasing them effortlessly. The truth. Attraction is not random. It follows deep psychological patterns. And once you understand them, everything starts to make sense. Let's talk about some of the real, unfiltered truth and female attraction. The first one, a woman is naturally drawn to strength and confidence. Not arrogance, not aggression, but a man who feels grounded, decisive, and in control of his life. She wants to feel safe with you, guided by you, emotional, led by someone she respects. Because deep down attraction grows strongest when she feels she can relax into your presence instead of carrying all the emotional weight itself. The second one, rejection is not always what you think it is. Sometimes it is not a hard no, it is a test of your confidence, patience, and emotional stability. Many women observe how a man react under pressure. Do you crumble? Do you chase desperately? Or do you stay calm, self-assured, and focused on your own path? That reaction alone can decide whether attraction grows or disappears. Third one, the excitement matters more than men realize. Routine, predictability, and an emotional boredom are attraction killer. But a man who bring energy spontaneously and a sense of adventure create emotional sparks that are hard to resist because attraction thrive on emotion, not logic. The fourth one, mystery is powerful. If you are always available, always replying instantly, always hovering, you remove curiosity. And curiosity is full for attraction. A man who has his own life, goals and priority naturally become more interesting because he is not constantly seeking approval. The fifth one, here is a truth many men misunderstand. Women often have strong emotional and physical desires too, but they are socially conditioned to hide them. That is why emotional intensity, deep connection, and confident leadership can create a powerful bond that keep her invested. And let's start. Sixth one. Validation is a powerful drug in today's world. Social media run on attention, likes, and approval. But ironically, the most attractive man is often the one who doesn't hand out validation easily. Because when approval feel earned rather than giving freely, it becomes far more valuable. Seventh one. Since childhood, many women grew up dreaming of an exciting love story, not perfection, but emotional depth, passion, and partner who make them feel unequal, especially not by worshipping them, but by choosing them confidently. When I first divorced these truths, I felt like someone had turned the light on. Suddenly I understood why I kept losing the girls I liked, and why certain men always seem to win effortlessly. But knowingly, the truth wasn't enough. I became obsessed with one question: what exactly do successful men do differently? So I spent years studying psychological, behaviors pattern and real world experience, breaking down conversations, analyzing attraction, trigger, and decoding what truly creates an emotion pull. What I discovered changed everything. Because attraction is not about looks, money, or luck. It is about understanding human psychology and knowing how to communicate in a way that sparks genuine connection. And once you learn these principles, you doesn't chase attraction anymore. You naturally attract it. If you want to understand how attraction really works, how to build confidence, emotional presence, and powerful communication, make sure you subscribe because the next video will break down the exact strategy, mindset shift, and psychological secret that separate the man who struggles from the men who stand out effortlessly. And trust me, once you see these patterns, you will never look at relationship the same way again.